It's the most reactive time of the year. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Inventory review for holiday offers in September. A Hobby Lobby craft bonanza to put together a Thanksgiving tablescape for a campaign photo shoot the first week of November. Slapping together a 12 days of holiday wine countdown campaign on December 1st. If you've procrastinated on your holiday email marketing planning in the past, some, if not all, of those scenarios may be all too familiar. In today's episode, I'll show you why the most profitable wineries start their holiday planning in June. And I'll teach you how you can get ahead without burning out. Welcome to the Email Mavens YouTube channel, the place for winery owners and marketing pros who want to sell more wine online by sending better marketing emails. I'm Erica Claus, and guess what? I love holiday email planning. And guess what else? I am thinking mistletoe and Santa's elves in the summer every single year. Our Christmas in July holiday planning session is one of our most popular annual offers for a reason. It's the promise of having the big decisions handled and heading into O&D with your offers locked in, your hero images fully photoshopped, running a plan instead of reactively blasting your entire list with ill-thought-out promos. Don't do it. Here's what early planning does for your winery. Starting now gives you better offers, better inventory planning, better segmentation, less panic in November, and most importantly, you're not just sending emails. You are telling a holiday story worth inviting your customers into. Here's your start now game plan. Step 1, identify your 5 must-win holiday campaigns. For many brands, it might be Black Friday, Cyber Monday, an Advent calendar-style countdown campaign, your holiday wine guide, holiday gift collections, and a last call for holiday delivery. But your winery may also totally slay. Get it? Slay. Like, ho, 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 that kind of slay. With no-ship gifts or Thanksgiving bundles, corporate gifting. Selecting your must-wins is part of the Email Mavens planning process that matters year-round, but especially during the holiday season when stakes are highest. Locking in on what those will be in the summer sets you up to architect everything between now and then towards maximizing your results. Step 2, map your offers. What are you actually selling? And at what price points? We teach our Mavens On Demand students the concept of a value ladder, which gives you the ability to merchandise offers by price points that intelligently nudge your subscribers towards a slightly higher average order value over time. Now, you might not have enough visibility into what wines will be available by November, today in June when you're watching this, the day it's published. That's fine. A general outline today is better than total inventory clarity, but zero margin time-wise in the thick of the holidays. Here's a hot tip. Review last year's holiday collection performance to help with forecasting here. You can intentionally hold back cases of top-selling wines that you can then reintroduce through your holiday promotion window. And finally, step 3, build the calendar. Lock your dates in now. When are you sending your must-wins? Now, you don't need perfection. You need a skeleton here, because the fall will let you add the flesh and bones as you solidify the plan. Here's another hot tip. What kind of A/B testing for day of the week or time of day could you be running now that would help you execute a more intelligent calendar and cadence during O&D? So hopefully I've convinced you. Winning holiday email marketing plans are built with a Christmas in July or sooner mentality. So if you want to actually build this out with us, not just think about it, that's exactly what we're doing inside Mavens On Demand in July. We're turning it into a full Christmas in July sprint where you lock in your offers, your campaigns, and your plan. And it also happens to be Hudson month for us, which means we're donating a portion of everything we do back to the Forget Me Not Foundation. So it's a pretty meaningful time to jump in. The link to get in our monthly coaching community is in the description and on the screen. Join us for July, build your holiday plan early, and thank yourself in November. I'll see you inside Mavens On Demand. And until then, keep pressing send on your next best email.